Hey guys, so today we're going to do King's Court with my Squishies, and you see I tried something new, and I'm about to start, so make sure to like and subscribe. First you put them in the package. So we have the Kissy Cat. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, but gotta work with it. Kissy Cat. This ice cream. Gotta go with the Kissy Cat because it's way more squishy. Next is the steam bun, the blush steam bun versus a heart face toast. Gotta go with my first squishy, and it's way more adorable, but this one's way more squishier. Bah. Yeah. Next we have this panda bun versus this bread, loaf of bread. This bread is really squishy but not slow rising, but this one is way cuter. We all love our panda buns. Okay, next we have the swirly toast, toast versus this fudge covered donut. Since this one is way more squishier than this one, but this one is way more cuter. I like the sticky feeling and the crumbly feeling in the packaging. This one wins. So we have this dumpling with the cute face with the Chinese symbols. Really squishy. This cupcake. Gotta go with the dumpling. Way more squishier, way more cuter, and this is my baby right here. I'm guessing this one will win. Okay, next we have this smile bun. Really textured in the details. Really squishy versus the burrito turtle. But I gotta go with the burrito turtle because it's cuter and really soft. This one's really soft too and cute, but this one's cuter. Next we have the mini Tokyo fish versus this cute scared jelly donut. First of all, this one's cuter, so I gotta go with this one. It's really soft. This one's sort of dense. You gotta put some balls to squish them. We have burrito bun. Look at that. Versus. It's gonna be hard. The sparkle face. Squishier and cuter. This one's a brand. This one isn't a brand. But this one's cuter, so I gotta go with this one. Gloss on. Okay, so next we have the croissant, mini croissant. Look at those details on it. Versus the dead cat. Soft and squishy, but this one's cuter and way softer and squishier, so I gotta go with this one. Sorry, dead cat. And then next we have these two. We have the sprinkled donut versus the Kissy China bread. Go with the Kissy China bread. This one's softer and squishier. This was cute, but this one's cute. Put the winners back in the round. We have the panda bun versus the kissy face versus the kissy face bread. Gotta go with the kissy face bread because it's squishier and cuter. Both of them are cute. Continued. We have the heart bread versus the Tokyo fish. But I gotta go with my first one, the softer one, the squishier one, this bread. We have, where do you come up with dog fur? We have the sparkle bun, really cute and squishy, versus this versus the burrito. I gotta go with the burrito turtle because it's a brand. This one's a little cuter. Sorry. Next we have the kissy cat. Yeah, versus the dumpling. Since this one's a lot squishier and softer and cuter and everything, my dumpling. Next we have my bread, the phone packaging. Have the swirly eyes bread falcon versus the croissant. The mini croissant. Gotta go with the mini croissant. Squishier and a little more detailed, but this one's cuter. But I gotta go with the final four. Go with the mini croissant versus why versus the Chinese bread. Gotta go with the Chinese bread because it's squishier, softer, and cuter. Why do you have to go? Okay, so we have the dumpling versus the burrito turtle. Gotta go with my dumpling. He's squishy. He friends. Gotta go with you because you were my first one, even though you're a little squishier and cuter. We have the dumpling versus the bread.
Which one? Oh. You guys are I can't.
Okay, choose the dumpling. Just look at that. Look how cute that is. Oh, squishy. Steam bun is a little squishier and slow rising. Okay, this thing is humongous, squishy, and cute. It smells delicious.